Today I'll show you how to create a template in OneNote. This is my student notebook OneNote template, which is available on my PayHub website. You can check it in my bio. So for example, if you have to create a template with this daily planner, so here I have added in time, task and to-do list and notes. What you have to do is you have to click on insert and then click on page templates and then page templates again. So once you do this, you see something called as save current page as a template. Click this, give the template a name. So for example, I am going to give this as my daily planner and click on save. If you check this option, this template will appear in all the new pages. You can check it if it's needed. Okay, once this is done, if you go into my templates here, you can see that the template that we have added is visible here. So now if you have to add this template to new pages, it's really easy. You go ahead, add a new page, and then you would come to insert page templates, and then you can select it from here, or you can go to this page templates, my templates, and click on this. So you can create as many pages as you would like with the same template. I share simple and effective dashboard tutorials and productivity templates. This channel is all about building useful productivity templates step by step. If there is a template that would make your life easier, please tell me in the comments and I might create one in an upcoming video. If you would like more such tutorials, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next template. There are also a few freebies available. Please feel free to download them. Thanks for spending a few minutes here and I'll see you in the next one.